Hey guys, are you want to buy best mirror dashcam? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best mirror dashcam that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. The 5th position in our list is Wolfbox Mirror Dashcam. The Wolfbox Mirror Dashcam is also a smart choice from our picks of the best mirror dashcams that offers a range of exciting features suited for enthusiast users. It offers up to 1440p resolution video recording, which is displayed on the 10 inches wide touchscreen digital display. This display also features an IPS display panel, which is great to have at this price range. It offers a wide range of color production with color accuracy and expanded viewing angles. Apart from the touch controls, the Wolfbox Mirror Dashcam also features direct voice command support that you will find really helpful while you are driving. As for the viewing angles, the Wolfbox Mirror Dashcam offers up to 170-degree capture angle on the front and up to 160-degree capture angle on the rear camera. This does not leave any blind spot on the footage and allows you to check all angles with ease. The best feature of the Wolfbox Mirror Dashcam is its Starlight Night Vision functionality powered by Sony's Starvis camera sensor. Now number 4 is Slim D L12 Pro 4K Mirror Dashcam. The Slim D L12 Pro is the first option on our list of the best mirror dashcam systems that offer up to 4K recording resolution. As you may already know, 4K resolution is right now the best resolution you can have on a mirror dashcam system. And it is also perfectly compatible with the 12 inches IPS digital display included with the set. You can use the front camera at 4K resolution and the rear at 1080p. Or you can use both cameras at 1440p resolution simultaneously for even performance, while the display offers touchscreen functionality to control the cameras. You probably won't have to use it since it also supports voice commands. You can simply ask the camera to start/stop the recording, change camera angles, and perform other functions. There is also a GPS module integrated into the Slim D L12 Pro that saves the location information, which can be really helpful while you are reviewing the footage. These cameras also feature an f/1.8 aperture Sony sensor that enables super night vision support and WDR technology. And now 3rd position in this list is Pormido 2.5K Mirror Dashcam. This is probably the best option at this price since it offers almost all premium and features that you would want in your dashcam setup. First of all, the display included in this set is about 12 inches wide and operates on an IPS panel for the best viewing angles. Also, this is a touchscreen display that allows you to switch the viewing modes or angles with ease. However, the best feature of the Pormido mirror dash cameras has to be their camera lens. Both of the cameras included in this set are powered by a Sony sensor. Thus, you will get WDR capture technology, which ensures true colors on the display. Even the capture resolution of the camera is 1296, which is a bit higher than the standard 1080p resolution. The rear camera of this set is very discreet in terms of design and comes with a 33ft long connection cable for ease of installation. Now our second choice is Janside upgraded mirror dashcam. This set also includes both front and rear cameras so that you can get a comprehensive view of your car. The recording resolution of the camera is the standard FHD 1080p resolution, which is perfect for the included 10 inches wide digital display. However, the display offers WDR/HDR color support that enables a lifelike video preview of the captured image. Also, the included display of the Janside Mirror Dashcam offers full touch functionality for ease of access for the user. There is a 32.8ft long cable included in the package that lets you easily connect the rear camera to the system without any problem. The Janside Mirror Dashcam is rated for super night vision functionality, which offers an impeccable display in dark for better security of your car. Similar to most other options on this list, the Janside Mirror Dashcam is backed by a year of warranty. And first position in our list is Wolfbox Mirror Dashcam Backup Camera. The Wolfbox Mirror Dashcam Backup Camera, which also happens to be the most popular option in the market for mirror dashcam setups. This unit offers up to 1296 resolution video capture from the rear camera and up to 1080p video resolution from the front unit. This is a smart dash camera setup that also comes with a 12 inches wide display unit powered by an IPS display panel. The capture angle of the Wolfbox mirror dashcam backup cameras goes as high as 170 degrees for the front unit and up to 140 degrees for the rear one. And since the display is a 2.5D curved design, you will notice a rather pleasant viewing experience with this setup. The Wolfbox mirror dashcam backup camera also features a night vision option powered by a 6-layer glass lens that enhances the light capture in dark. Other smart features of this system include media streaming, GPS, loop recording, adjustable viewing angles, and much more. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.